Hi students, welcome. In the last few classes, I have explained all the major important points of the chapter Parabola. Okay now. So in this video, I am going to explain the problems which were given in latest JEE MAINS 2022 examinations. These solutions are very easy. So the only thing is you should have a fundamental grip over the subject. Very easy problem. Even an above average student who is capable of doing the problems also can do such type of problems. Let us see such one type of problem. So the problem is clear. Let P a comma b a point on the parabola y square is equal to 8x such that the tangent at P passes through the center of the circle. One circle equation is given. Let a be the product of all possible values of small a, that is x coordinate, and capital B be the product of all possible values of small b. Okay. Then the value of a plus b. So on the whole, what we have to find out? We have to find out the a values and b values. So let us draw a small diagram for this data. So here it is a y axis and it is x axis. There is a parabola y square is equal to 8x. We know this parabola. So this is equal to y square is equal to 8x is a parabola. There is a point P a comma b on the parabola. So this is a point P, this is a comma b. Very nice. There is a now center of the circle, the tangent at P passes through the center of the circle. Now if you draw a tangent at P, it passes through the center of the circle. What is the center of the circle? So C is given as 5 comma 7. So this is a minus G comma minus F. Center is 5 comma 7. So this tangent passes through 5 comma 7. Center of the circle. Then we have to find out all possible values of A and B. Very easy problem. First of all, what is the equation of the tangent at P? Here we can take it as a S1 is equal to 0, like that also we can take. But if you go in a parametric equations, the problem will be very easy. What is the equation of the tangent in the parametric form? Yt is equal to x plus at square. So this is the tangent equation. Yt is equal to x plus at square, equation of the tangent at t. Here 4a is equal to 4, therefore 4a is equal to 4a is equal to how much? T. 4a is equal to 8, therefore a is equal to t. So substitute here wherever a is there, substitute t. So this is equal to yt is equal to x plus a means 2t square. Okay, right. Now it is given that the tangent passes through the point 5 comma 7. So this passes through the point 5 comma 7. That means substitute this 5 comma 7 in this tangent equation. So this is equal to 7t is equal to 5 plus 2t square. So this is equal to 2t square minus 7t plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in the variable t. Now let us solve this quadratic equation. You will get t value is equal to 1 or 5 by 2. Factorization it and you will get t value 1 comma 5 by 2. Now, what are your points? Generally, what points you will take? P is equal to at square comma 2at. At square comma 2at. General point on the parabola. So, P is equal to a value is 2. T square. First, I will take t is equal to 1. That is 1 comma 2 into 2 into 1. Therefore, P is equal to 2 comma 4. 1 P value got. That means P a comma b, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4. Let us take t is equal to 5 by 2. So this is equal to p into a value is equal to how much? 2. T square means 25 by 4. 25 by 4, comma 2 into A value is 2, T value is 5 by 2. Altogether, so this is equal to 2 ones are 2 twos are cancelled. This is equal to 25 by 2, comma 10. Okay now. So this is another point you got. So now here A values you got as a 2 comma 25 by 2. B value you got 4 comma 10. Now let us continue the class. Let us continue the class. Here P coordinates are given as 2 comma 4, it is 25 by 2. What are the, here it is given A as the product of the all possible values of A. This is A, this is also A. 2 into 25 by 2, this is a 25. B is given as product of the all possible values of B, that is 4 and 10, that is equal to 4 into 10, 40. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 65. Therefore, 65 is your correct answer. Very, very easy problem. Here, if you take the equation of the tangent in the parametric form, that is yt is equal to x plus at square, the problem will be easy. If you didn't get that idea, you can solve this problem as taking as S1 is equal to 0. S1 is equal to how much? Y1 minus 4 of x plus x1. That is here x1, y1 are ay. So that is equal to ay minus 4 into x plus here b, by. This is a is equal to 0. This is passes through the point in the coordinate 5 comma 7. So this is a 7b minus 4 into x value is 5 plus a is equal to 0. You will get a linear equation in the variable a and b. Again the point a comma b lies on the parabola y square is equal to 8x. Therefore, b square is equal to 8a. Call it as second equation, you call it as first equation. Substitute this here. If you take yt is equal to x plus at square in parametric form, the solution will be much easy. That's why always prefer parametric equations though, so that you will get the solutions very, very easy. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to this problem. So the problem is the length of the lattice rectum of a parabola whose focus is at a comma a and the tangent at its vertex is x plus y is equal to a is 16. Then modulus of A is equal to. So if you draw the diagram for this data, so without using pen and paper, you can do this problem. First, let us draw the diagram, right. So x-axis and y-axis. If the length of the lattice rectum of a parabola whose focus is A and A. So focus is given A comma A. And its vertex length of the lattice at the tangent is also given. The equation of the tangent is x plus y is equal to a. That means x by a plus y by a is equal to 1. That is x intercept is a, y intercept is. First I will draw that straight line. So this is the line. So this is x plus y is equal to a line. X plus y is equal to a line. That means this point is a comma 0. This is a comma 0 and 0 comma a. So your a comma a will be here. Here a comma a will be here. And he is saying that it is a comma a, it is a focus. And this line x plus y is equal to a is a tangent at the vertex. Therefore, this will be the vertex here. So this is the tangent at the vertex. Definitely, obviously, this point will be the midpoint. Why? Because, so if you draw the square here, so therefore this will be the diagonal, and it is also diagonals intersect at point of intersection. So this will be your a by 2 comma a by 2. This length will be, that is the distance between the focus and vertex will be is a small a, but here already a is there. Now I will take capital A. So therefore capital A is equal to SA capital A is equal to SA. So that is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. That means a minus a by 2 whole square plus a minus a by 2 whole square. This is equal to a by 2 whole square, that is a square by 4 plus a square by 4. So this is equal to root of a square by 2. So this is equal to modulus of a by root 2. Modulus of a by root 2. Okay, let us put it like that. Next is saying length of the lattice rectum. What is the length of the lattice rectum? That is equal to 4a. That is given as 16. That is given as 16. That is a is equal to 4. What is your a? Modulus of a by root 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, modulus of a is equal to 4 root 2. So, therefore, modulus of a is equal to 4 root 2. 4 root 2 is the correct answer. Very, very easy problem. So, by drawing the diagram, you can easily tell the formula. So, here root of a square means root a square. Root of a square means modulus of a by root 2. Length of the lattice rectum we know 4a. Here I have taken capital A, so nothing wrong in it. Why? Because already small a is in the problem. Okay, 4a is given 16. Therefore, a is equal to 4. So, what is your a? Modulus of a by root 2. So, modulus of a is equal to 4 root 2. So, very, very easy problem. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to the next problem. The next problem is the equation of the common tangent to the parabolas y is equal to x square and y is equal to minus of x minus 2 whole square. Question is very, very clear. There are certain problems are there, certain questions are there in which it is a very difficult to understand the problem. So, what is given data, what we have to find out. But this there are such certain problems in which you can understand the problem very easily. So, solution is a different matter. The question is very clear. The equation of the common tangent to the parabolas. There are two parabolas are there. We have to find out the equation of the common tangent. Okay, now let us see that. First we will draw the, actually no need of diagram, but even then we will draw a small diagram for this. So, let us take this is a x-axis and it is a y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. Y is equal to x square is a parabola which lies in first and second quadrant. So, using the, so this is a y is equal to x square parabola. See here y is equal to minus of x minus 2 whole square. Then how to trace this graph means y is equal to minus x square means it is open downwards. It is a open upward and it is a minus open downward. Okay. Let us find out the vertex. For example, if it is x is equal to 0, if it is x is equal to 0, what happens? Let us see. If it is x is equal to 0, 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 whole square. That means its vertex A is equal to 0 comma minus 4. 0 comma minus 4. If x value is 0, y value minus 4. So, this is a 0 comma minus 4. 0 comma minus 4 and it is a open downward. So, this is equal to y is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Now, he wants to find out the equation of the common tangent. Equation of the common tangent means maybe this side, this is a common tangent, this also a common tangent. Both the thing is there. So, we have to find out the equation of the common tangent. So, options are also readily available. Then how to do this? Very easy problem. So, if you go in a parametric equations, the problem will be easy. So, let us see that solution. So, first parabola is y is equal to x square. At t, equation of tangent is, so remember here equation of tangent is equal to tx is equal to y plus at square. Always remember. So, this is equal to y is equal to 4ax, y is equal to x square. It's x square is equal to 4ay. Tangent equation is tx is equal to y plus 8 square. If it is y square is equal to 4ax, your tangent is equal to ty is equal to x plus 8 square. So remember that if it is a y square is equal to 4ax, your tangent equation is ty is equal to x plus at square. If it is x square is equal to 4ay, if it is x square is equal to 4y, so this is of the form x square is equal to y. So that is equal to 4a is equal to 1, therefore a is equal to 1 by 4. Substitute here tx plus y, your a value is 1 by 4, this is t square by 4. A value is 1 by 4. So this is x square is equal to 4ay type, 4a is equal to 1, therefore a is equal to 1 by 4. I substituted a value 1 by 4. So from this y value is how much? Tx minus t square by 4. Tx minus t square by 4. So from this second, so we call it as 1. So what is the equation of the second parabola? Y is equal to parabola equation, y is equal to minus of x minus 2 whole square. So this is a tangent equation and it is also a tangent for the second parabola. So how to find out this point of contact? So let us solve these two equations. This is also y is equal to, this is also y is equal to. Can I equate right hand side part? So let us equate right hand portion. Tx minus t square by 4 is equal to minus of x minus 2 whole square. Okay now? So let us do the calculation. Coming to the calculation part, so this is equal to tx minus t square by 4 is equal to minus x square minus 4x, minus of minus plus 4x. So this is equal to plus 4 and it is a minus 4. Let us take all these things to one side and you will get, so this is equal to x square and you take this side minus 4x. Already here tx is there, minus 4 plus t square by 4 is equal to 0. So this is a plus x square minus, this is a minus 4, you will get a plus 4 here. Already tx is there here, here minus, so we are taking, these two things are here only, minus t square by 4. So let us x square plus, so this is equal to t minus 4 into x plus 4 minus t square by 4 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in the variable x. Since it is a tangent, so y is equal to tx minus t square by 4 is a tangent to the second parabola. So this has equal roots. So that means it should have equal roots. Why? Because the tangent is touching the parabola at one and only one time, no? That's why it should have equal roots. That is a delta is equal to 0. That means discriminant is equal to 0. What is discriminant? B square. That is t minus 4 whole square. B square minus 4ac. T square by 4 is equal to 0. So this is equal to t minus 4 whole square minus 4 times 4. So this, so if you solve this, you will get t square minus 4t is equal to 0. So you solve it, you multiply inside, you multiply here inside, minus 16, minus plus 4 cancel, plus t square. So plus t square plus t square. So if you calculate it, you will get t square minus 4t is equal to 0. So from this, t into t minus 4 is equal to 0. Either t is equal to 0 or t is equal to 4. That's all. Now you will get a common tangent. So by substituting t is equal to 0 here. So if you substitute t is equal to 0, so what is the common tangent? Common tangent I am going to find out. So if you substitute t is equal to 0 here, 0, 0, y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means what? X-axis. So here x-axis cannot be the common tangent for both the parabolas. Why? Because x-axis can be the tangent for this parabola, but it cannot be the tangent for the second parabola. See the diagram, it is under the x-axis. Therefore, this y is equal to 0 fails. Now let us take t is equal to 4. Substitute here 4. 4x minus 4 square, 16 by 4, that is equal to 4. So therefore y is equal to, so this is equal to 4x minus 4. If you take y is equal to 4 common, x minus 1, therefore y is equal to 4 times x minus 1 is the equation of the common tangent. So in all the whole, what you have to write is equation of the tangent For the parabola x square is equal to 4ay is tx is equal to y plus at square. Okay, na? Generally here ty is equal to x plus at square. Generally students will get confused. Okay, na? So if you know this point, the remaining everything is very, very easy one. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to the next problem. So very, very easy problem. This is, it is also given in 2022 latest paper. So the tangents at the points a 1 comma 3 and b 1 comma minus 1 on the parabola y square minus 2x minus 2y is equal to 1 meet at the point P, then the area of the triangle PAB is, right. Very easy problem. This is a, there is a parabola. So it is a parabola. The parabola equation is y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. There are 2 points on the parabola. So that is equal to a 1 comma 3 and b 1 comma minus 1. Okay. So at a there is a tangent at a, and at b is also there is a tangent. So this is a parabola. They both meet at the point P. So is asked to find out area of the triangle PAB. Area of the triangle PAB. Understand? Then how to find out area of the triangle PAB, right. Already we know that a value 1 by 3, b value 1 by 1. So if you find out P, the problem is over. Now for that we have to find out the equation of the tangent at A. So here it is a parabola is y square minus 2x minus 2y is equal to 1. So I already in the previous class I explained, if you want to find out the equation of the tangent at x1 comma y1 to any curve, what you have to do is, in place of y square substitute y1, in place of x substitute x plus x1 by 2, in place of y substitute y plus y1 by 2. That's all. Whatever may be the curve, maybe parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, whatever may be that. If y square, if it is a x square is there, x1. If y square is there, y1. If x is there, x plus x1 by 2. If y is there, y plus y1 by 2 is there. Remaining all constant coefficients as it is. Okay, now, right. What is x1, y1? It is a point on the curve. Okay, now. So here, first I will take this as a x1, y1. So here y square, equation of tangent. I am writing y square, what I have to write down? y1 minus 2 of, in place of x plus x1 by 2 minus 2 into, in place of y plus y1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now. So this is the equation of the tangent for any point x1 comma y1. So let us take first point is a 1 comma 3. So this is a x1 y1. This is 3 minus 2 of, you can cancel 2 x plus 1 minus 2 cancel, y plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 3y minus x minus 1 minus y minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 0, and this is equal to minus x plus 2y. This is a minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. This is a x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is a equation of the tangent at. So let us check once again. So equation of the tangent at 1 comma 3 plus 2y. So once again you check. So this is a y square. So that is equal to y1 minus 2 of x plus x1 minus 2 of y plus y1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Your point is a 1 comma 3. Substitute here 1 comma 3. So here 3 x plus 1 y plus 3 minus 1. So this is a 3y minus x minus 1 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1. So this is a minus x, 3y minus y, that is 2y minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 5. So you multiply with minus x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, let us calculate the equation of the tangent at B. At B, equation of the tangent at B. What is the B value? 1 comma minus 1. Let us check, substitute here y into y1 value is equal to how much? Minus 1 minus x plus x1 value is equal to how much? 1 minus y plus y1. y1 value minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to 0. So let us calculate this is equal to minus y. Minus x minus 1 minus y plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So this is equal to x minus 2y, that is a plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. That is the equation of the second line, equation of the second tangent. So if you solve these two equations, you will get the point of intersection P. That P is given as a minus 3 comma 1. Check it here, minus 3 comma 1, substitute here, minus 3 1, minus 5 plus 5 0, here minus 3 1, 2 plus 1 3. So if you substitute here minus 3 comma 1, P value you will get minus 3 comma 1. Therefore you know A value, B value, C point, all the 3 points you know. You can find out the area of the triangle by using half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 into plus x2 into y, that formula. You will get the option X is D will be your correct answer. Very easy problem. So the only thing is, for whatever may be the curve, from this problem what you have to understand is, whatever may be the curve equation, if you want to find out tangent at that point x1 comma y1, simply substitute in place of x square x comma x1, y square y comma y1. In place of x, substitute x plus x1 by 2. In place of y, y plus y1 by 2. Remaining all values, constants, coefficients, everything will be same. Okay, now I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to the last problem of this today's class. Let PQ be a focal chord of length 6.25 units of the parabola y square is equal to 4x. If O is the vertex of the parabola, then 10 times the area of the triangle POQ is. So it is a numerical answer problem. So here first thing is, your parabola is y square is equal to 4x. Let us draw a triangle. So this is equal to y square is equal to 4x. There is a focal chord. So therefore SC is equal to focal chord. PSQ is a focal chord. And its length is length of the focal chord, solution I am telling. So the focal chord is given as 6.25. That is 625 by 100. That is equal to 25 are 25 4s are 25 25s are 25. So 25 by 4. The length of the focal chord PQ. Then he is asked to find out area of the triangle POQ. POQ. So this is a vertex. Is also given that O is the vertex. Now already O coordinates are 0 comma 0 we know. Now we will go for parametric point. So already we know that if P is 80 square comma 280, then the coordinates of Q are a by t square comma minus 2a by t. Already we know that. If the coordinate, one end of the focal chord is 80 square comma 280, then the other end is a by t square comma minus 2a by t. And one more thing formula also I told, the length of the focal chord PQ is equal to a times t plus 1 by t whole square. In yesterday's class, I think this is the last point. A times t plus 1 by t whole square. This is the length of the focal chord PQ. This is given as 25 by 4. Already your A value is how much? Y square is equal to 4ax. Therefore, 4a is equal to 4. A value 1. That is equal to 1 into t plus 1 by t whole square is equal to 25 by 4. This implies t plus 1 by 2 is equal to plus or minus 5 by 2. T plus 1 by t is equal to plus or minus 5 by 2. Let us take first this thing as, otherwise you can take a quadratic equation. So a plus b whole square, expand it, a plus b whole square, expand it. You will get a quadratic equation and you will get the solution as t is equal to t or 1 by 2. T is equal to 2 or 1 by 2 you will get. Right. If t is equal to 2, let us take t is equal to 2 or t is equal to 1 by 2, no problem. So if you take t is equal to 2, What are the coordinates of P? If you take already A value 1. If you take T is equal to 2, T square 4. So, this is equal to 4 comma 2 2s are 4. So, this is of P is 4 comma 4. Then Q is 1 by T square, that is equal to 1 by 4 comma. Here A value is 1, this is a T value is T, T will cancel minus 1. So, your P value is 4 comma 1 4, Q value is 1 by 4 comma minus 1. Already this is already 4 comma 4 we got, this is a 1 by 4 comma minus 1 we got. Now, if you find out the area of the triangle OPQ, area of the triangle, so we know all the 3 points, area of the triangle is equal to, you got 5 by 2. You will get area of the triangle as 5 by 2, but he is taking 10 times the area. 10 times the area means what? 10 into 5 by 2, 2 1s are 2 5s are. So, 25 will be your final answer, integer answer type. Very easy. From this problem, what are the concept that you have to know is, the first concept is, if one end of the focal chord is at square comma 2at, the other end is a by t square comma minus 2a by t. That is the first point. Second point, the length of the focal chord is equal to a times t plus 1 by t whole square, that is given. So, if you know these 2 points, the problem will be very easy. So, dear students, I hope that you enjoyed today's class with some more problems. Tomorrow I will come before you. Until then, all the best.